If you've been sending emails through Mailchimp and they're not landing in the inbox, this quick setup can help you stay on top of subscriber activity and improve how you manage your audience notifications. In this video, I'll show you how to get your email to the inbox using Mailchimp by turning on the right audience notification settings so you can monitor new subscribers, unsubscribe activity, and daily updates more effectively. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump into Mailchimp. First, go to Mailchimp and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look over to the left side and click on Audience. This is where all of your contacts and audience-related settings live. So it's the right place to begin when you want to manage how your email list behaves. After that, open your Audience Contacts area and click on the three dots next to the Audience tools. From this menu, choose Audience Settings. This takes you into the section where Mailchimp stores notification preferences and other important list settings. If you're trying to keep better track of delivery and engagement activity, this is the section you want to focus on. Now scroll until you find subscriber notification emails and click the Edit button. This is where you can control which notifications Mailchimp sends to you about your audience activity. Turning these options on can help you stay informed when people subscribe or unsubscribe. And that information is useful when you're trying to understand how your emails are performing and whether your audience is growing or dropping off. Next, toggle on Daily Summary. This option gives you a regular overview of audience activity, which is helpful if you want a quick look at what's happening in your list without checking everything manually. Then toggle on Individual Subscribe Notifications. This lets you receive alerts each time someone joins your audience, so you can keep an eye on new signups in real time. After that, toggle on Individual Unsubscribe Notifications. This is just as important because it helps you see when someone leaves your list. If you're sending campaigns and want to understand response patterns, these notifications can give you more visibility into what's going on behind the scenes. Once all three notification options are turned on, click Save Notification Settings. This locks in your changes and makes sure Mailchimp will send those updates going forward. It only takes a moment, but it can make a big difference in how well you manage your email list and track important activity around your campaigns. And that's it. You've now updated your Mailchimp audience notification settings, which helps you stay more informed about your subscribers and can support better email management overall. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more step-by-step tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.